If you're trying to figure out how to tackle plumbing work in your house without spending a fortune or calling the pros for every little thing, you're in the right spot for some game-changing, straight-up advice on fixing leaks, clogs, and more, using the best plumbing tips for homeowners. Okay, so first thing you gotta know is that shutting off your water supply before starting any plumbing project is like the golden rule. You don't want to be that person with water spraying everywhere, trust me. Keep a bucket and a bunch of old towels handy because things can get messy in a split second. When you're dealing with a clogged drain, skip those harsh chemicals and go for a plunger or a drain snake instead. It's way safer for your pipes and, honestly, usually works better. If you hear banging noises coming from your pipes, that's called water hammer, and tightening up any loose pipes with some simple brackets can calm that right down. For leaky faucets, a lot of times it's just a worn-out washer or O-ring inside, so popping it out and replacing it is usually all you need. No need to replace the whole thing. Always use plumber's tape on threaded connections when you're hooking up new fixtures. It helps stop leaks before they even start. If you're swapping out a toilet or sink, double-check the wax ring and all the seals, like 2 leaks here, are sneaky and can ruin your floors before you notice what's going on. And if you ever feel in over your head, don't be afraid to hit pause and look up a quick how-to video or call someone who knows their stuff, because it's way better than making things worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with home plumbing work is over-tightening connections, which can actually crack fittings and cause leaks instead of stopping them. If something's dripping after you've tightened it, back off and check the washer, or use plumber's tape instead of just cranking harder. Another classic issue is using mismatched pipe materials, like connecting copper and galvanized steel without the right fittings, which can cause corrosion and nasty leaks down the line. Always use proper connectors and check what your pipes are made of before starting any repairs. The third common fail is ignoring tiny leaks or slow drains thinking they'll fix themselves. Those small problems always turn into big headaches later on. Get ahead of it by checking under sinks and around toilets every now and then for any signs of moisture or mildew. Fixing little stuff early saves you cash and stress. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for anyone doing home plumbing work because it connects homeowners with legit local contractors who actually get the job done right. If you're a contractor looking for more gigs, it's also a solid spot to find people in your area who need your skills. So everyone wins, you know?